Hi, in this lesson we're going to talk about Lspci and Lsusb commands very shortly. Lspci command displays information about the hardware devices are connected to PCI bus controllers. You can have Ethernet and RAID controllers which has connected to PCI bus controller ports. Let's type Lspci and you see we have main view of PCI bus controllers. If we type lspci-help, we can see a lot of options in there. Let's type lspci-v. V means verbose to see PCI bus controllers in a detail mode. As you see, all of them have details. By the way, if you don't have this Lspci utility in your system, you can install PCI utilities with yum command. We'll talk about yum and dnf install commands in our package installation lectures. The second command is lsusb command. Lsusb is a utility display information about USB buses. It also displays devices are connected to USB ports. Let's type lsusb-help and as you see some options in there. Let's choose one of them like lsusb-t. And it shows USB ports in a tree mode and the devices are connected to USB ports. Like port 1, port 2, and we have devices connected to our USB ports. So, this is the end of our lesson. See you in the next lesson. Bye!